Thank you all for joining me. This is Cindy Harrison, your host and artist in residence of Paint with Heart. So let's get started. We are doing angel eyes, and I'll be showing you how to paint the kitty cat. think it's relatively easy. It's just kind of one of those, you've got to be patient with yourself, especially on this guy. You just have to be patient with yourself. Having the right brush is always going to be a plus. And just take it one layer at a time, because it is a lot of layers, layer on layer, as far as the fur goes. But the eyes themselves, what do you think, ladies? What doing those eyes, did they seem difficult to you?
No.
Yeah. So you can, it'll be real easy once you sit down with the camera again and do them. I think I tried to break it down as simple as I could. And thank you ladies for joining me here. And if you have to get a hold of me, Cindy at cindyharrisonart.com. You can find me there. You can check out the replays on cindyharrisonart.com under Paint with Heart. Always remember to paint with heart.